Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a video on this mini twist tutorial. It's not actually a mini twist, but you get the gist. Anyway, stay tuned for the rest of the video. They call me sassy. All right, welcome back. Um, you guys, my hair has progressed a lot, and we thank God for that. So, let's just start with this tutorial. First of all, I'm going to start by sectioning the middle of my hair and just letting the part be straight because obviously, like the middle part is what draws people to us. And then I'll just go ahead with one big clump of hair and just section that out. And once that is done, I'm going to tie it with rubber bands. But before I tie them with rubber bands, I'm going to use my rubber bands. I'm going to dip my rubber bands into oil because it will help with the sleep, even if it did not do much. But we're just going to be delusional about it that it helps with the sleep, and then at the end of the day, it won't break my hair. But at the end of the day, my hair actually broke out. But still, you know, um, we're going to. We're just going to be positive. Anyway, I'll just go ahead to get my crochet pin that I stuck into this very, very big box. And I need to be more organized, but there is no other way I can be more organized than this. So I'm just going to section the rest of my hair and just get like big clumps, same size of hair, and just tie them back. So once I'm done sectioning the rest of my hair, I'll come back with my pretty voice to talk to you guys. Now that the rest of my hair is sectioned and I'm looking like Simbi goes to school, let's go ahead to actually braid. And for braiding, I'm using this darling expression. Oh yeah, I have 15. I was trying to tell myself so when I'm recording, I will know that I have 15 braids. Okay, so I'm going to use this darling kinky twist, and this is the way it's looking. I didn't actually go ahead to use everything. I think I just used like half of that darling kinky twist, and then I'm just going to separate the strands and make sure that everything is set for me to braid. Once that is done, just crochet oil my hair first because we're trying to take care of my hair. You guys, I really don't like, I feel like I'm really getting tired of my natural hair, let's not lie. Or this is just like a stage that happens once in a while that I get tired and I feel like cutting my hair because I cut my hair almost every 2 years, and it has passed 2 years. My body is itching me to cut this hair. Anyway, I'm just going to, crochet that into my hair. And once that is crocheted, yeah, just go ahead to twist, separate it and make sure that it's tight enough, and yeah, then go ahead to twist. So you guys, for this, your twist has to be firm enough because I actually loosened this like 2 or 3 times because my twists were not firm. But for the purpose of this video, I tried to make the editing as smooth as possible so that you won't think that I actually went ahead to loosen this a lot of times. So just twist and try to make it firm because your hair is natural. If your hair is natural, your hair is natural, and the kinky too kind of has this natural feel, so two of them might be contrasting. So you want to actually make it firm enough that it will look like it's coming from the same root and from the same scalp. So once that is firm to my belief, um and I reach the ends of my hair, I'm just going to knot the end. And for knotting the end, this is actually quite a simple step. All you just want to do is just to fold the hair in, should I say fold the hair in half? Just fold the hair a way you think you want to knot it, and just wrap the ends around itself. And once the ends are wrapped around itself, just smoothing it out with your hand, like in a clapping form, just smoothing it out like you're rubbing, like you're trying to conduct heat with your two palms. And that will make it kind of firm and stuff. It actually doesn't add much to it, but it just it kind of gives this blend at the end of the day. So just go ahead to repeat the same process to the rest of the hair, and I'll see you guys once all of this is done. So now that we've come to the final strand of this braids, and these are the way the braids were looking, I was actually contemplating, should I actually, decorate this with beads, or I should just leave it the way it is. Anyway, after looking in the mirror and admiring myself, I decided, you know what, we're just going to decorate it with beads. And then I'll just use these beads I got from I was about to say Jumia, but from Amazon. I'm no more in Nigeria. So I'll just use these beads from Amazon and just use it to decorate my hair and just separate it the way I want basically. I also tried using like the colorful bands, but I didn't really like the vibe it was given. And at the end of the day, this is the way the head turned out. I was looking like an African princess that I am. Anyway, hope you try out this hairstyle. It's actually quite simple. It's a good protective hairstyle, and I kind of had to do with it for like 2 weeks. No, I actually did it for 3 weeks. The plan was 2 weeks initially, but my project took longer than I thought, so I ended up carrying this hair for 3 weeks. And yeah, it was quite okay, it was quite nice. Anyway, this is the end result. See you guys in my next one. Bye bye.
Don't call me mean, I just want someone to love me.